The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Department of Health. It has become apparent that there is a new sickness that is unknown if it is a threat to human life. This new sickness is now known to possibly be a modification of the common cold. To stay safe during the current event, please refrain from making contact with anyone who has the following symptoms: coughing, sneezing, and other mental issues that were not present before the symptoms appeared. Following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Bureau of Investigation. The new sickness, now dubbed virus, is infecting more and more people. We have also found out that virus is a very deadly and very contagious disease. Do not make contact with anyone that has the following symptoms: coughing, sneezing, and other mental issues that were not present before the symptoms appeared. Be sure to maintain normal hygiene habits such as covering your mouth when you cough or sneeze and washing your hands. This is an emergency action notification. All cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. Virus has taken over the U.S. All US citizens are ordered to evacuate to anywhere that isn't the United States. This is not a choice. This is an order you must follow. Do not take your time, as virus is spreading quickly. This message is about to end. Thank you for being a part of America. Good luck to all citizens.